Today I'm gonna be showing you what's in my pouch. It's not really a pouch, it's my makeup bag. And what's in my makeup bag is this blush, my favorite blush, my nose shadow, and my brown, I use it as a bronzer, and my eyeshadow palette. This my favorite brushes. It has a Minimos print. It's from Japan. My Rocket Volume Express Maybelline New York mascara. It has a beautiful tip. My Baby Lips. Maybelline New York, and also this. It's both lip balm. And my last but not the least, my Kiss Beauty eyeliner, 2-in-1 eyeliner and lip liner. It has this one, this part, it has this part, and it has this part. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.